In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the animations in Google Earth, like zoom in, orbit, or point to point. This way you can easily make animation videos of your any location on the Earth. So for this, the tool which we are going to use is Google Earth Studio. So open your browser and type earth.google.com/studio. You have to sign in with your Google account, and once you sign in, you will get this kind of interface. Here you have two options: open project and blank project. So I will click on blank project and I will do the quick starts. There are four options here, and the last one is fly to end orbit. First thing, let's have a look at zoom to. If I click on zoom to and then click on start, here I will get the search option. Either I can search by typing any location name or simply zoom in. Let's say I want to make zoom to animation for any airport, like let's say Los Angeles. So we will select any point and then we will click on this green arrow. Here it says starting altitude. So you can select the altitude. It's in kilometers. So I will keep it by default and then I will click on next. Here you go. So this way we will get the animation of zoom to. We will click on this and then we will click on render. Now to download this video, all you need to do is just click on submit. Then you can click on this cloud. From there you will get the video. Second one which I'm going to show you right now is point to point. Just click on point to point, click start. So here it says search to set your first point. Let's say I will select first point as San Francisco. Then it asks me for the second point, which I will select Los Angeles Airport. I will click here, click next. Here you go. It will start now from our starting point and it will take us to the ending point. So this way, with the help of Google Earth Studio, you can create the animations. That's it for today. I will see you in the next one.